we are going to present is Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. Now what is the difference between, as she has explained, what is Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga? It is a continuous set of asanas which is done with the sync of your posture and your breath. That is Ashtanga Vinyasa. And what is Ashtanga? Now she has explained already. I need one answer. If she has explained and you all have understood, at least I want one answer. I think so. There are gurus also over here. Can you all answer what is Ashtanga?
Here is answer.
Ashta means 8 and Anga means body.
So that means what? What does that mean? The 8 steps of yoga. So one of the things she did it. Swara Deshpande, Asana, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Samadhi. Which is for yourself? Yeah, right. Yes. And Ashtanga Vinyasa is what? It is a flow of asanas which is done with the body and breath. Now you will come to know what it is exactly. It has been introduced by our modern yoga guru, that is Tirumalai Krishnam Acharya. Okay, so let's start with it. The demo will be shown by our students of Universal High School and yes, other students also from Vasant Vihar High School. Come here. Hands up in Namaskar. Exhale down. Heads touching your leg. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, go back to go down. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, jump back to chin up. Exhale, heads down. Inhale, hands up in Namaskar. Exhale, Samasthiti. This is Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskar 8. Vinyasa, as I said, it is a continuous flow. Okay. So, can you all understand what I am trying to say? Continuous flow रहता है. So, Surya Namaskar is a Vinyasa flow also. 10 steps. Now, anyone wants to do it here with them? 2 rounds extra. No one? One more round. Surya Namaskar 8. 10 steps. Come on. Samasthiti. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Padahastasana, heads down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, go back to down. Go down in Chaturanga. Inhale, up without touching the floor. Exhale, down. Adho Mukha. Inhale, wait, stay. 5 breaths. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, jump back to chin up. Exhale, heads down. Inhale, hands up in Namaskar. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay. Now Surya Namaskar B. Surya Namaskar B has 17 steps. Okay. So they will be doing 2 rounds. Inhale, hands up in Utkatasana. Exhale, down, Padahastasana. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, go back to go down in Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg in the front to Veerbhadrasana A. Exhale, down to Chaturanga. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg in the front to Veerbhadrasana A. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, jump back to chin up. Exhale, heads down. Inhale, hands up in Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. One more round they will do. Last round. Samasthiti, attention. Inhale, hands up in Utkatasana. Exhale, down, Padahastasana. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, go back to go down, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg in the front, Veerbhadrasana A. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg in the front. Veerbhadrasana A. Exhale, down, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, jump back to chin up. Exhale, heads down. Inhale, hands up. Namaskar, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now this actually, here we are having AC. Thanks. His name is Riyan. Sorry, I didn't give the introduction in the beginning. Ishita, Swara, Ojas, Tarani, and yes, Gayatri. Thanks a lot. Please be seated. So, it is to be done in a closed room. This vinyasa is to be done in a closed room where there is no ventilation, no fan. You are like, continuous, you are doing all the set of, in the sense, Surya Namaskar A, 5 rounds, Surya Namaskar B, 5 rounds. Then total number of asanas are 76, that is standing, sitting, lying down, finishing series. That means 76 asanas for primary series. And that to be complete by 45 minutes we finish the session. In Mysore we have done 45 minutes in primary series. All forward bending asanas. And we do Adho Mukha Shvanasana in Ujjayi breathing. So totally physical strength as well as physical strength, the physical exercise is done with the breath. With the sync of your breath. When to inhale, as you have seen, like I didn't say the Sanskrit numbers, ekam, dve, triyeni, chatvari, we say it like that. Now right now some people might not know if I say that, so that's the reason I said with the breath, like when to inhale, when to exhale. So kids need it necessary. Nowadays kids don't breathe at all. That's the reason the immunity is not so strong. So we do with the breathing technique, like that. So everyone enjoyed. You all want to know more about it? We will sure keep one workshop. I had kept in the last year I had kept this workshop where my guru Ramesh Shetty, he has come from like Mysore, 2 days workshop with whole I think so you have attended? Yeah, 2 days workshop it was where we have taken Surya Namaskar as well as all 76 asanas. Like few were able to do it, but at least you all were understanding like what is the thing. Basically, what is Ashtanga Vinyasa. Thanks a lot for giving your time. Thanks to Sense 22 Yoga for giving this opportunity on your platform, sir. Thanks a lot.
Sar So round of applause for Deepa and team. And it was happened in a very short time of weather में. Okay, तो आप देखिए मतलब कितने सालों का प्रिपरेशन होगा है, तो एक समय का भी एक ब्रीफिंग is good enough. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm sure a lot of kids now will be sent to our school soon, for all this.